Noble Lake, Moscow, Lodge Coin. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for Southern Prairie County in central Arkansas, central Monroe County in eastern Arkansas, southeastern Lonoke County in central Arkansas, north central Arkansas County in southeast Arkansas, until 8:45 p.m. At 8:08 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This severe storm was located near Humnoke, or 14 miles west of Stuttgart. Doppler radar showed this severe storm moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Locations in the path of this dangerous storm include Devall's Bluff, Clarendon, Ullum, Stuttgart Municipal Airport, Rowe, Pepper's Landing, Parker's Corner, Palmer, Humnoke, Ollie Grove, Dobbs Landing, Brummett, Allendale, Tollville, Slovak, Seaton, Pine City, Keyville. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Lincoln County in southeast Arkansas, southeastern Jefferson County in southeast Arkansas, northeastern Cleveland County in southeast Arkansas, western Arkansas County in southeast Arkansas, until 9 p.m. At 8:08 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This severe storm was located 7 miles west of Feeneyville, or 10 miles northeast of Rison. Doppler radar showed this severe storm moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. In addition to the tornado, this storm is capable of producing large damaging hail up to golf ball size. Locations in the path of this dangerous storm include Woodville, Whitefield, Richardson, Nebo, Little Bayou Meadow Park, Linwood, Langford, Grady, Feeneyville, English Lake, DeWitt, Cottondale, Elmira, Yorktown, Terry, Swan Lake, Sarasa, Radell. The National Weather Service in